How long can they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? They say it's just a part of it. We got to fulfill the book. Manners and respect, Aya. Blessed. Rasta love.
Me love me car, me love me bike, me love me money and thing. But most of all, me love me dumpling. Hey, man. Watcha? Me bumbo clock. Yeah, only on my phone. Yeah, Rasta. And not to Rasta head, boy.
I only have my phone in the kitchen for the kitchen counter. Regine, watch it from yesterday. You hear me, Bingy? I have all the eye meds right now. I not take no talk from no man. Hey, Rasta, I cannot cut out the dirty attitude, Regine. I make a chance up. You ain't put on food in there. I want to hear, Regine. I don't know nothing about the iPhone and the iPad. You hear me, I say? Rasta, man, I'm here alone rent a place. I know. Every time me cook and leave my food in the kitchen, it disappear. Last week, the same thing happened. Hey, Rasta, man, you know, see, I have to cut out the dirty lifestyle. Hey, Babylon boy, watch it from boy, you know. You really go in the kitchen, go near me dashing yellow yam banana, me 2 cornmeal dumpling, and me curry pork. What? And them same sitting here, Rasta can live in a tenement yard, you know. When you come out here, come in an argument with me for dread. Last week I wear my chicken back. The week before that I wear my stew turkey neck. And now you come near me curry pork. Rasta, you name pork. You ever see how you damn late yet, legend? You know, see, I want liar. All the while you do the same thing, you know. And you tell man boy you don't your mate. And all the while the same thing happen. One about your bumbo clock business and no why. I don't know about no food in a kitchen, Rasta. You come like one of them big old town rat there when you have everything. Hey, move your dirty blood clot. Dirty blood boy, you come style Rasta's rat. Fire.